Welcome traders to another Tickmill trading update with me, Patrick Munnelly. Want to update the indices view, the US indices, as we head into this new trading week. The major headline event is likely to be tomorrow's CPI, so pay attention to that coming out just before the open of cash trade in New York. Moving to the technical setup, starting with the SP 500 and the 4-hour time frame here. Weekly bull bear line in the sand or zone for me is going to be the 50-20 to 50-10 area. I'm looking for any pullbacks into this area to watch for bullish reversal patterns to engage on the long side. And we're going to target a test up into the 50.86, which is the 161 extension of the current swing structure. We also have ascending trend channel resistance coming in there, and we have the weekly R1. So as we trade into that area potentially, I'll then be watching for momentum divergence. So we make new highs in price, no new high in the momentum study. Watching for bearish reversal patterns there to engage on the short side for a move initially targeting a retest of the bull bear zone from above. If we can get through there, then we look for the ascending trend line support that comes in at the 49.80s. One other area I would highlight to you if things really get volatile to the upside is we have the yearly R1 at 51.69, 52.34 is the equality objective versus this weekly swing structure. We also have monthly and weekly projected range resistance, 51.40. So any move that occurs into this area, I will certainly be paying very close attention to as an opportunity to play from the short side. The alternative scenario is if we don't hold the weekly bull bear zone, then I look for a deeper pullback into trend channel supports and the high volume area here on the 4-hour profile, which comes in around those 49.70s. We have a gap at 49.77. So watch for bullish reversal patterns there again. Want to engage on the long side, initially targeting a retest of the bull bear zone from below, and then on to our upside objectives. Moving to the Nasdaq. And we have a similar type of idea, similar setup here in terms of the Nasdaq. We are looking for an upside extension on the weekly time frame. Now we have an equality objective versus this broader swing structure at 19,712, just below there. 19,208 is the yearly R1, and as always, we're paying close attention to price action should we trade into that area. In the near term, on the 4-hour time frame, I'm looking for any pullbacks into the weekly bull bear zone just below 17,900 to 17,850. Want to watch for bullish reversal patterns there to engage on the long side, and we're targeting a move through the 18,000 up to 18,222 as the primary objective. Now, from there again, want to pay attention to momentum divergence as an opportunity to play for a profit-taking move and profit-taking pullbacks. Certainly, we think about retesting these highs at just above the 18,000 level. At this stage, if we fail to hold the weekly bull bear zone, then we look for a deeper corrective move back into test the 17,700 area as support before once again trying to gather momentum and support to the upside. Wrapping things up with the Dow Jones. And Dow Jones is similarly positioned at the moment anyway for further upside, and we are looking for the bull bear zone to hold here at 38,640 to 38,600. Watch for bullish reversal patterns here to engage on the long side, actually targeting an upside extension into weekly projected range resistance and the R2 that comes in at 39,348. At this stage, any close back through the bull bear zone would be a bearish development and suggest a deeper pullback to test the value area high on the 4-hour profile here at 38,300. We have 38,370 as the weekly S1. Ultimately, we are getting close here, this 39,340. We have the equality objective versus the broader swing structure on the weekly time frame, which is 39,400, where I would anticipate we could see a more sustained pullback develop. So bear in mind some of these equality objectives that could be in play, if not this week, potentially next week. We are heading into this 2-week window of potential seasonal weakness for the US indices. So I want to pay attention to that. We have VIX expiration on Wednesday and options expiration on Friday. As always, traders, plan the trade, trade the plan, and most importantly, manage your risk. Until next time, thanks very much.